It is Wendy Richmond, and I am the CEO of Five Star Smiles. Welcome. So, today I wanted to talk to you about optimizing your Google business profile and why it is so important. Before we, though, dig into that, I just wanted to give you a little bit of background about who am I and why should you care about anything I have to say. I've actually been in the dental industry for, gosh, well over 10 years now. I've been a very successful marketing director for several multi-million-dollar dental practices. And one of the areas that I've gotten into over the last year is Google business profiles and optimizing them, managing them, because I was trying to find something that I could do for a dental practice that could give them the biggest boost of new patients the fastest with the least amount of spend when it comes to fees to get this to happen. And even a way to, if they're not doing running ads, another way that you can get new patients organically. And Google is such a big part of practice, whether they know it or not. I have found with the practices and all the clients I've worked with over the years, if you look back to all the different referral sources, the majority always come from Google. And so I just wanted to kind of walk you through step by step when it comes to this. And let's talk about your Google business profile. Okay. So uh, now we're going to focus on how you can enhance your online presence to attract more patients, specifically by optimizing your Google business profile. So first, let's consider why this is important. An optimized Google profile can significantly enhance your practice's visibility in local search results. And this means that you're more likely to be seen by potential patients in your area. Now, think of your Google profile as your digital front door. First impressions matter. And by correctly setting up and maintaining your profile, you're not just making your practice easier to find, you're also building trust with those who might walk through your physical office door. So in the next few slides, we'll dive deeper into the specifics of optimizing your Google business profile. So let's get started. All right. Now, we're going to dive a little deeper into the benefits of optimizing your Google business profile for your dental practice. First, understand that a well-optimized Google business profile is crucial for enhancing your practice's visibility in the local search results. And this means that when potential patients are looking for a dental services nearby, your practice will stand out. Now, engaging with patients through timely updates and responses can significantly boost patient engagement. Now, think of this, as having a conversation with your community, keeping them informed and connected. Now, finally, an informative profile is key to building trust. Patients seeking dental care will feel more confident when they see detailed, clear, and helpful information about your services. This trust is the foundation for attracting new patients. Now, let's talk about the crucial aspect of maintaining accurate information on your Google business profile. This is your opportunity to make a fantastic first impression on potential patients. Ensure all practice details are complete and correct. It's not just about listing your address and phone number. Every detail counts in building trust and attracting new patients. Now, if you don't know where to go to your Google business profile, if you don't know you have one, it should be attached to a Gmail account that you have for the practice. And if you don't have one, That we could definitely have another video that explains that piece of it. And then you have to claim your Google business profile and things like that. So this particular presentation is for those offices that actually have a Google business profile, and they may or may not be optimizing it. But I want to show you how to make sure that it is the most optimized that it can be. Okay. Now, we've ensured that your practice details are correct, right? And next, here's some top tips to enhance your profile effectively. First, use engaging photos. High quality images can showcase your welcoming environment and the services that you offer. These visuals can often speak louder than words, enticing visitors to choose your practice. Now, second is regularly update, right? Regular updates are essential. Keep your profile fresh and current with frequent updates. This maintains patient engagement and helps attract new patients. Now, by implementing these strategies, you're setting up a robust foundation to make your practice stand out. So let's take a moment to reflect on how these small changes can make a significant impact. So let's talk about how you can leverage data to enhance your profile and attract more patients. It's quite remarkable that 74% of patients use Google to find dental services. Think about it. That's a lot. Now, this means that having a well optimized Google business profile is crucial by focusing on the data available. You can identify key areas for improvement and tailor your profile to stand out in search results. Now, using this information effectively not only increases the visibility of your practice, but it also helps you connect with potential patients more meaningfully. So let's talk about the timeline for successfully setting up and managing your Google business profile. First, claim and verify your profile. This step is crucial, right? So remember, if you haven't claimed it yet, then that's a piece that you need to focus on first. And you have to make sure to ensure, right? It's crucial because you want to ensure that you have control over your practice's online presence. Next, focus on creating a robust profile. This means making sure all your practice details are complete and accurate. Add specialties and practice hours to give potential patients the information that they need. And to boost your profile's visibility, include relevant keywords and high quality images. This will help you stand out in searches. And managing reviews is also key. Encourage your satisfied patients to leave positive reviews. And remember, it's important to respond to testimonials, showing that you value patient feedback. And finally, keeping your profile dynamic by regularly posting updates. Share news, offers, educational content to keep your audience engaged and informed. And by following, this timeline, you'll be on your way to enhancing your online presence and attracting more new patients to your practice. So now let's talk about staying connected. It's crucial for building relationships with your patients. So you can reach us directly at 201-301-5532. And if email is more convenient, feel free to drop us a line at contact at 5-star-smiles.com. We're here to help and answer any questions that you might have about optimizing your Google business profile. And of course, for more resources and information, you can visit our website, 5-star-smiles.com. Now remember, we're here to support you every step of the way as you enhance your online presence and attract more new patients. So don't hesitate to reach out. We're just a call, an email, or a click away. So with that being said, hope you all make it a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye bye.